Hello everyone, Sarah here again with TriangleReva.com. This is the third in a series of videos about using Dakno Admin. In this third video, we will talk about creating a test user for yourself, why you will want to do this as whether you're a new agent or new to the Dakno Admin or Dakno CRM. This will help you gain perspective on what users are doing. Um, it will also give you a place to practice using the Dakno CRM, even if you don't have any leads assigned to you yet. So I highly recommend that you go to the 5 County Specialist page and look around the website, get familiar with the website itself, play with the search, really use that and set up a property organizer for yourself to test it and learn how to use it. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. And so I'm going to go to search. And, to get familiar with the site, you can play around. You can look at active listings. Really great feature. This site has sold listings, so that's really valuable for people. If you click on My Account, you'll be prompted to create a user account. So you're going to just do this for yourself to test it. And, give people in your household that you can set up an account for them and, tell them, hey, go use this website, go set up an account. And then you'll have multiple practice leads that you can work on that'll really help you be better prepared when you get actual leads. So pretty easy. I'm just going to put in my name here. I'm going to use one of my personal emails and phone number. Okay. So then the person will be asked, are they working with an agent? If they say yes, they'll be prompted to put in the agent name. Okay, so it's important that if you are working with people, they know your name. That's why it's important to stay in touch with people, to stay top of mind so that they have your name at the ready. And also why you will want to go ahead and put in contacts that you're working with. So if and when they do wind up on the site, and we do a ton of marketing, so a lot of people use the website. So when they do this, it will already be associated to you. Okay, so my agent is Kelly. And actually, I'm not going to put that in because then it will go directly to her, or it will show her. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to say that I'm not working with an agent, and I will sign up. If you're already a user, you can log in. For people you may be helping, all they need to do to log in is have their email. They don't need to set up a password or anything like that, so it's really easy. And sign up. Now, when I do that, I get an email, and this is what it says. Dear Sarah, thank you for signing up. Blah, 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 blah. Please don't hesitate to contact us. And then for your records, information you provided. So like I said in a previous video, people who have signed up for a property organizer, they're getting this email. So they know that they have an account on the website and that is tracking them. And here later it says, we'll follow up with you shortly. So somebody really does need to be following up with them shortly. So what that looks like in the CRM, oh, I'm not logged in. I had to log out to do that. So let me log in. And just another really quick little blurb about how great LastPass is. That's what this right here is LastPass. Fantastic tool. So that email, that new contact, goes into the CRM. You can see it right here at the top. This will send out an email to myself as of right now. In the future, maybe if someone else is managing incoming leads, it will go to that person. Okay. Then whoever is in charge of assigning leads will assign that lead. So for you doing a test account, what will happen is you will create a test user. It will come to me. Please use your name or give some indication that it is you testing, and then I'll know to assign it to you so that you can use that test lead to practice in this part of the contact management system. Okay. So it'll come in, it'll be assigned to the team at first, it will then get assigned to whoever needs to get it. I'm just going to assign this to my admin account here. Okay, so if that were being assigned to you, then you would, any minute now, get an email saying that you've been assigned a contact. Of course, this is your test, so then you can view it here. And do keep in mind, you see how this is nested. When I did that video a little bit ago, there was a contact assignment. So you can see, just be aware of that Gmail will put your emails together. So you need to make sure that you're on top of that. And again, ideally, as I've said before, you really want to be going into Dakno Admin, I would say daily, to check your contacts and your leads. Excuse me. So once that has been assigned to you, so then what I would do is I would assign it to you. You'll get the email. Once that's been assigned to you, then you can go in and you can change the tags around. You'll want to come in and practice changing the status. So I would change this to like junk or no follow-up so it doesn't wind up in the leads that do need to be managed. Uncheck the new lead. Definitely make sure you change the status and take out the new lead tag. Otherwise, your practice lead is going to wind up amongst leads that actually need attention, and that's frustrating for people who are trying to manage leads. So you want to definitely change those. And of course, you always need to save after you make changes. Once you have a practice lead set up, then you can play around with the property organizer, and then you'll see, yes, I know, it's going to make me save these changes. So you can go and see the activity, and then you'll be able to match, what people are doing with what you're seeing on your end as an agent. So, go in, go do searches, save searches, make yourself calendar entries, add to-dos, add notes, really get to know the CRM so that you can effectively manage leads. So I hope that was helpful. Again, this is Sarah with TriangleReva.com. This has been the third video in the series of managing leads in the Dakno CRM. The next video in this series will be drip campaigns. See you then.